So hi guys, today we're going to learn how to draw a sequence diagram in Visual Paradigm. So we'll have this blank thing and we'll start with creating a new project. So in project tab, we'll go to new, we'll click on new tab and it will give you this dialog box. We'll put here the name. So for example, I'll put it here, software engineering. Okay, then we'll author, I'll name it my name and then create the blank. Once the blank is created, you see the name of the project has been changed to software engineering. After that, we need to go to diagram. We need to click on new, and here we need to search for sequence diagram. It's already there, but if you search sequence, you got it here. Sequence diagram. We'll select sequence diagram. We'll click on next. We'll select blank. We'll click on next and create the diagram name. We'll keep it as it is, sequence diagram. Okay, and we'll click on OK. Now sequence diagram has been created. Now we have learned that a sequence diagram will start with an actor, it will go through different stages and the message will travel from one stage to another and it will come back. There is one going message and one is return message. Till that much. We're not going to complicate it or make it more complicated, but we are going to start with an actor, we're going to different stages and different stages will have message that will go incoming and while reply message will be in dotted lines. So the stages that we have, we call it here is as lifeline. If you also we have actor here, if you see here, if you go up and down, you see an actor is also here. So every time it will start with an actor. We select the actor and click on here, the actor will be created. Now for today we're going to create a simple login page for a student and we have different stages. So we have going to have three stages, but it will start with an actor. We will name it as student. Okay, and we're going to drag it till down. The next we are going to create three more stages. We'll just select here one, two, three. Now three stages are created. Now what will be the stages? The first stages will be creating each stage, that is the login page, then validation and database. So we'll create it. First is login page. Then we'll have the second thing is we call it as authentication auth. We'll give it auth and then we'll have web database. So it will fetch our data and it will check our data is real or not. Then we're going to create with starting the message. The first message will be starting from student. It will go to next, then next, how sequence diagrams are drawn. So we'll select the first is message. We'll select this. We need to select and we need to drag it from student to login page and leave it. Then we need to rename it. Rename the page or this task or this line. We can call it as first is login and login, and we can put it as username, comma password, and it's going to the first step, so we're going to give first step. Now the first thing is this naming thing, sometimes it will be a issue. So to disable this kind of numbering, we can go right click anywhere on the blank space, then we'll go to this presentation option, then we can go up and we can go to presentation, we can go to lifeline display, message display, and we can turn this show sequence number off, so the show sequence number will go. Now I put it number one. The next is again we'll have a message from login page to auth. Then another message will be from auth to database. Now the auth will be validate username comma password. This is the second step, right? So second. Now again for database we'll have another step, that is the step is checking username comma password double s. Okay, and in starting I'm going to put 3 comma. So this is done. Now it is done. Now what will happen from this stage, we will start having the reply message back. Now to change to reply message, if you go to message and if you click on this corner here, this icon will change from this arrow to a hand. You select like this, you can see so many messages. So you will select the reply message will again drag it from here to here and we'll name it as reply message. So what will be the reply message? It will be the fourth step, that is it will give okay found, it is there in the database, the password and the username, we give found. And again we click on reply, again we'll drag it from one end to another and we'll have, then we give it as success, that is number 5, so we'll have success. Yes, and then the last one is again reply from the login page to the student, that is the sixth step. The sixth step, what will be the sixth step? The sixth step will be is displaying in the dashboard or open in the dashboard. It will open the dashboard for the student. Display dashboard. Okay, so this is how a sequence diagram is done in Visual Diagram. Thank you.